my gosh, it is a turtle!
It's caught in a plastic net.
Everyone stay here. I'll get it.
Easy there, little guy. I'm here to help. There you go. You're free.
Ready to learn English with an awesome 3D story? Today a fun beach trip turns into a massive rescue mission. Let's start the story.
Who's ready for beach day?
We are!
Don't forget the sunscreen, you two.
Race you to the water, Mia. You're on, little brother.
Hey, no running in the parking lot.
Wait, what we be on? What's all that stuff?
It looks like trash?
Oh
This is worse than last time.
no, Dad, there's plastic everywhere.
Why would people leave their garbage here?
This isn't just from beachgoers. The ocean brings it in too.
From where?
From everywhere. Rivers, cities, other countries.
Did you see that beach? The big beautiful ocean is covered with plastic that creates pollution, harmful trash in nature. Say them with me. Ocean plastic pollution, ocean plastic pollution. Let's see if the family can clean it up.
Look, is that a turtle?
Where, buddy?
Right there.
But it's...
Stuck? Oh my gosh, it is a turtle.
It's caught in a plastic net. Everyone stay here. I'll get it. Easy there, little guy. I'm here to help. There you go. You're free.
That was so scary.
What if we hadn't been here?
That's why this matters so much.
I don't want to swim anymore. Me neither.
I understand. Let's talk about this.
Phew, the turtle is safe. Ethan jumped in to protect it, to keep it safe from harm. We all need to protect our environment, which is the natural world around us. Practice environment. Environment. Keep watching to see a shocking story in their kitchen.
Plastic pollution is a huge problem worldwide. But what can we do? We're just kids.
Just kids? You'd be surprised what kids can do.
Can we clean it up? Like, right now?
That's a wonderful idea.
But there's so much. We don't even have bags.
We have our beach bags. Let's use those for now.
Really? Absolutely. Let's make a difference today.
This one's heavy. I found, like, 10 straws over here.
Good work, team!
My arms are tired. Look how much we got, though.
You two should be proud.
But there's still so much left.
Yeah.
This is bigger than one family can handle.
Then what do we do?
I keep thinking about that turtle. Me too.
I'm proud you two care so much.
Where does all the plastic come from?
Everywhere. We use plastic for everything.
Like what?
Water bottles, shopping bags, food containers, straws.
Packaging, toys, electronics.
Wow.
That's everything.
Dad, wanna go?
Well, come, look at this.
What's up?
You're right. Wow. I never really noticed.
Are we part of the problem?
What's not a good feeling?
We're the ones making all the pollution.
Well, not just us. But yes, we're contributing.
The question is, what do we do about it? It's hard to stop completely.
Plastic is everywhere. But we can reduce how much we use.
Reduce means use less. Instead of 10 plastic bottles a week.
We use 1 or 2?
But how do we drink water without bottles?
Good question. Let me show you something. Ta-da!
Their kitchen is full of plastic food containers. But Dad found an alternative. A different and better choice. He found a reusable bottle. You can use it again and again. Say it. Reusable. Reusable. Let's watch them go shopping.
What's that?
A reusable water bottle. You fill it up, drink it, wash it, fill it again.
So one bottle replaces, like...
Hundreds of plastic ones? Exactly.
Exactly! What else can we change? Let's make a list.
Huh?
Plastic wrap. Plastic forks. Ziploc bags. Oh,
This is a long list.
this is a lot. Can we really change all this?
Remember what Grandma always says? How do you eat?
An elephant.
What? One bite at a time.
Meaning, big problems need small, steady steps. So, first step, reusable water bottles for everyone.
Yes! How about today? We can go to the Eco Store downtown.
Eco store? What's that?
Whoa! This place is awesome! Everything's so colorful.
We're trying to reduce our plastic use.
Oh,
Fantastic.
you've come to the right place.
Pick your favorite.
Oh!
This blue one. It has sharks on it.
While we're here, what about shopping bags?
What?
Right this way. We have canvas bags, mesh bags.
You're making a real difference. These items will replace thousands of plastic ones.
Thousands?
Are you still with me? The family wants to reduce their waste. That means use less. And when they do use plastic, they will recycle it. Say it loud. Reduce, reuse, reduce and recycle.
I'm never using plastic bottles again. Me neither. Wait, Dad, what about school?
What about it? That's a good point.
But what if we got other families to help? I'm making a presentation.
For what?
Can I help?
Yeah. Draw some pictures of ocean animals. Look at them. They actually think they can change things.
Maybe they can.
But we can help by using reusable bottles.
This is wonderful, Mia.
So that's why plastic is hurting our oceans.
I had no idea.
Look what Mia does at school next. Mia is so smart. She just took the initiative. She started a brand new plan. Her new project. Her new project is an environment club. Say the big word. Initiative. Look at that crowd. The whole community. All the people in their town showed up. They are all volunteers. People who help for free because they care. Say it, volunteer. Say it, volunteer. Wow, they made the news. The family made a huge impact. A massive positive impact on the world. You also can make an impact too. Say it with me. Impact. You did a great job learning English today. Subscribe and I will see you in the next adventure.